You can find magic wherever you look. All you need is a book in hand. The World Book Day is celebrated to promote the enjoyment of books and reading. It was first celebrated on 23rd April 1955. We at Prudence School, Ashok Vihar, aim to change lives through the love of books and shared reading. This assembly of grade 3 is a small endeavor towards achieving it.
The books are the brainchild of the authors who, with their imagination, have brought many characters alive. They have connected to us in every aspect of our lives. Let me present to you a few famous authors loved by children.
J.K. Rowling, the famous author who gave us much loved series of Harry Potter.
Roald Dahl gave the treasure of evergreen books like Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, Matilda, and the BFG.
Geronimo Stilton, the famous detective whom we all know, was created by Elizabeth Adami.
Not to miss our very own Indian author, Sudha Murthy. She has journeyed us to Storyland with a famous book, Grandma Bag of Stories.
Books are our best companions.
Handle with care.
choose